Good morning, this is Jovi Overo from Beta 2 in London. Just a quick breakfast update. It of course is Tuesday the 17th of Jan 2012, time is now 9:54. Well, European risk markets made an impressive recovery from the weakness seen on Friday yesterday. The strength was reflected by the way in which risk markets shrugged off a one-notch downgrade of the EFSF, Germany being the only AAA rated guarantor. Chancellor Merkel stated last week that she was of the opinion that the EFSF doesn't necessarily need a AAA rating. That may be the case, but it sure helps having one. The euro, that continued to be shorted in favour of the US dollar. Trading was light yesterday as markets were closed for a bank holiday over there. There was news that talks regarding a Greek debt swap broke down. That increased the bearishness in the long-term prospects for Eurozone recovery. The euro reversed virtually all of its gains made last week and reached a fresh 11-year low versus the Japanese yen. The Canadian dollar, now that was very bullish yesterday versus the euro and the USD. The closure of the US markets combined with negative news out of the Eurozone fueled the loonies upward trend. Today we have significant CAD news, so we would expect immense volatility. Turning to gold, that stabilised after last week's bearish drop. It moved above 1640 yesterday. It's currently up approximately 6.3% so far this year. It is likely, however, that the price of gold will be determined by the euro movement. Now, if any negative news was to come out of the Eurozone, gold may of course rebound as investors flock to the safety of US dollar. China, again, the GDP slowed to the slowest rate in almost 10 quarters, though at 8.9%, the economy has hardly ground to a halt. Breaking news, well, not really breaking, but the UK CPI for December fell for the third month in a row from 4.8% to 4.2%. That's the biggest fall since April 2009. We feel that inflation will continue to fall further below its target, and that will probably mean more QE from the Bank of England next month in an attempt to prevent this. That's it for now. For more news, please log on to our website www.beta2.co.uk. Thank you.